我都准备好，我们
Good evening, guys. Our group project will be targeting the Kimberly-Clark Corporation. Specifically, we'll be analyzing its quarterly training program for all of its employee resource groups leaders, where each attendee will take part in a one-day-long workshop. We aim to automate the allocation process where each attendee will be assigned one of 5 workshops. Adhering to the preferences and relevant constraints, this will be much faster and more accurate than how things used to be done, where the staff has to get email responses from each of the ERG leaders, type in that information onto an Excel sheet, and allocate tasks manually.
We will base our illustration on data collected from respondents in Q1 2019, but our Excel program will apply to future training programs where numbers of attendees and workshops can be adjusted based on different needs. We will start off with a SurveyMonkey survey that will be distributed to all the invitees. On the survey, we first ask respondents to alphabetically rank their preferences for the workshops, given the theme of each event. The respondents should only pick each workshop option once in the ranking. Then, we ask for some contact information. Lastly, we ask respondents to provide their affiliated ERG to help us create and ensure a diverse and inclusive environment at every workshop. Every aspect of this survey can be changed and/or updated, and our Excel model will adapt automatically. Results directly downloaded from SurveyMonkey will serve as the basis for our program.
I'm now going to walk you through this model we built. To use this model, the users need to have the open software installed. The open software allows users to work with big sets of data, which will be necessary in this model. You can download open software on Google or by clicking the link below. Once downloaded, you'll see the open software add-in. Double-clicking that will automatically install the open software to the Excel sheet. Since we have already downloaded, or we've already have it installed, this model is ready to run. Click on the left button to browse for your SurveyMonkey data file. We'll start with the first set of data, which contains 3 events and 48 respondents. The page will quickly refresh, which shows that your data file is open and ready to run. Click on the right button to import data from the data file. Now we're in the data tab, and we can see here that all the essential data are already downloaded and reformatted from the SurveyMonkey data file. Click Create Assignment in the user interface to assign respondents to their preferred events. The page will quickly refresh, and their assignments will be automatically generated into the column in blue. This column marks their ultimate event assignments. Users can use this assignment sheet to email the mentees where they should go on their seminar day. It is also easy to reuse this model. Once the seminar was successfully held and the assignment data is no longer needed, click the Reset button to clear all data and reset all variables. And the model will bring you back to the user interface page to reuse the model. This model also works with different sets of data, with more or fewer events and respondents. Now let's try with a different set of data. This time we're going to go with the data sheet with 5 events and 100 respondents. By clicking the I'm ready, all of the data from the data file will be imported and reformatted accurately and neatly. By clicking the Create Assignment, as you can see, all of the assignments will be generated automatically into the blue column right here. That's why our model is truly reusable. Lastly, if anyone is curious about how the results are generated, click on the Check Solver tab. This tab shows you the simple LP model we run, as well as many of its constraints on the bottom. Click on the Open Solver icon on the ribbon and find the Show and Hide model. This gives you a precise description and visual of how this model is built and where the constraints go. And that completes my demonstration.